1 Chronicles chapter 4 verse 9 to 10. Now Jabez was more honorable than his brothers, and his mother called his name Jabez, saying, because I bore him in pain. And Jabez called on the God of Israel, saying, oh, that you would bless me indeed, and enlarge my territory, that your hand would be with me, and that you would keep me from evil, that I may not cause pain. So God granted him what he requested. That's why I told you, that's why I said that you are a honorable. What makes you a honorable is not to become a politician, is knowing the God who created you. Ekikufuula ow'ekitiibwa si kweyunga mu byabufuzi. Ekikufuula ow'ekitiibwa kutegeera ani yakuteeka wano. Bw'otegeera eyakuteeka wano, ne bwe baba bakuvuma batya, ne bwe baba bakukyawa batya, ne bwe baba bakuyita ebinnya byonna byonna ebibi, amannya amabi gonna nga bagayita ggwe, n'osigala ng'okaabirira oyo, byonna bye boogedde bisigala nabyo, Katonda n'akuwa kye yakutondera.